Hi, welcome to this Flussos tutorial. In this video, I will show you how to see your saved flows. I'm already logged in. On your menu to the left, all you have to do is click Flows. When you're here, just so you know, a flow, once started, automatically receives a number ID, and you can enter in a subject that's unique to that flow for your team to be able to search for it. You can search for flows and flow IDs up here at the top. You can filter flows either by in progress, completed, or rejected. You can isolate one particular flow. You can look at flows specifically started by yourself. And you can filter by category of flow. In another video, I show you how to actually start a flow. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us at support@flussos.com. We can schedule a live demo with you to answer more of your questions. Thank you very much.